Tomorrow, I set out for adventure. Like the legend of El Dorado or the tales of the 49ers, rumors of gold fill my mind. I've secured a map to an alpine lake deep in the wilderness which hides a hoard which I must acquire. We've encountered our first obstacle. There's a brand new gate about 3 miles further down the road than we were anticipating any gates.
36.
Sure would be nice to drive up this.
Yeah, who puts a gate at the bottom of the road? Who supposed to put it at the top? You got a perfectly good gate at the top.
So here's where we intended to start, but it's been 5 miles and
2284.
2,300 feet of gain
5.1 miles.
just to start our hike. What's wrong with us?
My first guess would be a lot.
Day 1. Our journey has been full of surprises. I wasn't expecting this.
Now you know you're in the middle of the woods.
Little shed. Or something. Second honey bucket, in case you missed the call of nature earlier. Beautiful little trek. And no people, even on a Saturday in the summer.
No bugs.
No bugs yet. Should have been fresh at this point, but we're already knackered.
Can't see my footing.
And my wife accused me of skipping workouts. Whew, my calves have never burned like this in my life.
3,300 feet again.
Our trek has become dangerous, but we persevere.
It's a long ways down. I know it doesn't show how steep this is, but it is really steep. That's a tree. Don't fall.
Hallelujah! The promised land is in sight. Having arrived, we've set up camp and now go about seeking our treasure. I had one, but it broke off. Day 2. Having failed to find much sustenance, our supplies are growing thin. Low on both food and morale, and now with foul weather moving in, we've decided to evacuate.
Be one with your inner mountain goat.
I'm being one with my inner old man.
All loose. Not fun. Is that steep?
This is not a trail.
This is the trail.
This is rock climbing.
This is the trail. That one's not a good handhold.
Oh, my face. And now you're washed out against the sky. That shows how steep it is. There are the ridges we went over. Steep sons of guns. I hear water, but it's not the creek we parked at. Are we gonna make it? Are we there yet? Our bodies are battered and our spirits broken, but at least we have got out with our lives. Come stand over by the lake for a second. Happy sound. I don't know how this works. Oh, you know, if you flip this thing out, you can see what the hell's going on live.
I got a hand. I got a hand. Oh, you're laying on the edge.
Yeah.
I'm in a beer supply and he sets it down on an angle.
Cheers.
Cheers. Dilly dilly. I was looking at the screen, not this lens. But at least I came down the fucking triangle of death without being like a little bitch.
Unlike this guy. Kept me alive. I'm going to be all artsy fartsy and contrast the flowers
You do what you gotta do.
with the burn. I have to identify bird songs, but it apparently needs to. Can't catch it on video, but there's bats overhead. I think I just heard one.